Did you know that more than $7 trillion change hands every single day in the foreign exchange market, or simply Forex? That's according to the Bank for International Settlements. And that's what makes Forex trading the most liquid market in the world. But what does it really mean to trade Forex? And what should you know to trade effectively in this massive global market? Stay with me till the end. I'll share my top beginner tips that most new traders overlook. Alright, let's start by defining Forex. The word Forex stands for foreign exchange, the marketplace for buying and selling currencies. Here are some key facts you should know. The market runs 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. It doesn't have a central exchange, which means many different players take part, including banks, governments, large institutions, and retail traders like you and me. It's influenced by central banks, politics, and global events. And currencies are always traded in pairs, like Euro USD or GBP USD. Now, the big question is, how does Forex work? In Forex, you're always trading one currency against another. For example, when you trade the Euro USD pair, you're predicting whether the euro, the base currency, will strengthen or weaken against the US dollar, the quote currency. Let's say Euro USD pair price is 1.1600. That means 1 euro equals 1.16 US dollars. If you believe the euro will rise against the dollar, you would buy the pair. If the euro goes up, for example from 1.1600 to 1.1700, the euro strengthens and you make a profit. But if the euro falls, for example down to 1.1500, the euro weakens and you would take a loss. Now, let's go over a few key Forex terms you'll encounter on your trading journey. Understanding these will help you trade confidently. First, a pip. This is the smallest possible price movement in a currency pair. It measures how much the price changes. Next, a lot, which is the standard trade size. One standard lot equals 100,000 units of the base currency. Leverage. This lets you control larger positions with a smaller amount of money. Essentially, funds borrowed from your broker. Margin. The money you need to set aside to open and maintain a leveraged trade. Spread. This is the difference between the buy, ask, and sell bid prices. At FXGT, we offer tight competitive spreads, which means more of your trade's profit stays with you. Swaps or overnight fees. If you hold a position open overnight, you might pay or receive a small fee. Broker. A broker connects the trader to the Forex market, acting as the middleman. At FXGT, we provide the trading platform, live price quotes, and all the tools you need to make informed trade decisions. If you're new to Forex, here's a quick step-by-step path to get started. First, learn the basics. Watch videos like this one, read blogs, and take free beginner courses. Next, choose a reliable broker. Make sure the broker is regulated and offers a demo account to test your strategies. Then, open a demo account. Trade with virtual money first. You can open a free demo account at FXGT and practice before risking real funds. Develop a strategy. Don't trade blindly. Always plan your entry and exit points. Manage risk. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your capital per trade. Here are my top tips to help you trade smarter with FXGT. First, always use a stop loss and keep your emotions in check. Next, trade with a plan, not on impulse, and keep learning because the market is evolving every day. Avoid these common mistakes, overusing leverage or chasing losses. Follow these tips and you'll be on your way to smarter trading. Let's put it all together. The Forex market is massive, fast-moving, and full of opportunities. Before you start trading, understand how fast-moving currency pairs work. Master the key trading terms, and always trade with a plan. There you have it, your complete beginner's guide to Forex trading. Now you know what Forex is, how it works, and how to start trading safely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide. Thanks for watching, and until next time, trade smart with FXGT.
FXGT, where traditional meets digital.